Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I am so excited to do. I feel like it's been a long time since I've done a hack or hoax video, but I saw this and I need to know. I need to know straight away, and this is perfect timing because I need to clean not only my makeup brushes but especially my makeup sponges. I hate cleaning my makeup sponges. I mean, I hate cleaning my makeup brushes in general, but I force myself to do it. My sponges, I let go a little bit, you know, because I have so many of them. I just kind of rotate them, but at this point, they're all dirty now. I need to clean them all. And apparently there is a hack that is supposed to be so super duper easy. I'm pretty sure this went viral from Snapchat. I mean, the video has like over 3 million views and it's apparently supposed to work. Like on Twitter, everyone in that thread was saying, oh my god, I just tried it and it actually works. Now I need to know. I need to know. As beauty enthusiasts, we have needs. This is one of the many. So all you do apparently is you take your dirty beauty blender, your dirty beauty sponge, whatever it is, you know, whatever brand you have, and then you just take a cup, put some water in it, put some soap in there, and then put your blender sponge in there, you know, get it all nice and soaked in there in the water. Don't put your sponge dry in the microwave. Oh lord. I've seen pictures on Twitter and stuff. It apparently like melts it and chars it and burns it. I don't want to start any house fires here, so huge caution. Do not put your beauty blender into the microwave dry. Bad news central. So make sure your sponge is very wet, and then I guess you just pop it in the microwave for a minute and then it's magically clean. You're gonna have all this brown, dirty, nasty water and you're gonna have a beautifully clean blending sponge. That sounds great to me because I feel like whenever I wash my beauty sponges, I get them mostly clean, but it's just a hassle. It's lazy. Right here. We're gonna test this out. I have a bunch of different brands of sponges. I've got Eco Tools, Real Techniques, the actual like legitimate beauty blender. I've got the AOA, isn't that what it's called? The dollar beauty blending sponge, and then also a microfiber blending sponge. At least I think those are the 5 that I have right now. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see if this actually works, and I'm so excited to do so! So let's go. Let's see how this does. Is anyone else? I can't be the only one that's really excited about this. Let's go do it. Here are my sponges. Lovely, lovely sponges. Dirty, dirty sponges. Y'all are dirty. Y'all are nasty. Let's get you nice and clean. So to start, I'm just going to take all of my sponges, make sure that they are wet by soaking them a little bit. Just, you know, pretending like I'm about to actually use them here. Alright, so there we go. They are all nice and wet here. Like I said, I just want to make sure I don't start any fires today. There are my dirty sponges. I've got some mason jars here. I don't know how much soap I'm supposed to put in each jar, so I'm just gonna kind of do about that much, you know, a little squeeze. I was thinking of putting these in and then covering with water, but I'm scared if I put these right on top, maybe it's gonna be too soapy for that. So, hey you. I'm just gonna fill these like this so the water gets nice and soapy. There we go. Now I'm just gonna pop these in, yeah? Kind of get that nice and submerged in there. There we go. They are all submerged. I don't know, this one doesn't want to sink quite as much as the rest of them, but I feel like we've got a nice little science experiment set up going here. It is the time, folks. Let's test this out. We're gonna put that in there. Goodbye, blenders. I hope this works. Go. Ah! You want to help out? Okay, you guys. My water doesn't look very brown. Did I do something wrong? Oh, this is probably gonna be hot. Yep. I could have seen that coming. What did I do wrong? Is it because I had 2 of them in there? Crap. How do I get it out? Maybe if I was smart and used 2 hands. Oh, frick. Oh, that is so hot. That would make sense, Cassie. There's water in the blender. Oh man. But can you see? That is definitely still very dirty. Very, very dirty. Wah. Maybe I didn't put enough soap in? I mean, mixing them around like that is definitely making the water look a little bit more, a bit more brown. Let's go ahead and try this one. Goodbye, Eco Tools. Boop. Moment of truth. Moment of sadness. What am I doing wrong? Look at it. This guy's still dirty too. Maybe, ooh, oh. Once I squish it, then it seems to be coming out. Will the same happen with this beauty blender? Maybe. That water was already pretty foggy. Let's try pre-squishing this. Dang, dude. Look at all of that. Maybe getting the soap dispersed in the sponge is what needs to happen. Let's try you real techniques. Let's see, did I figure it out? I won't know until we take a closer look. It's still looking pretty brown on there. Can you see pushed against the glass? I mean, it's definitely coming out, but crap. We're gonna try another thing. I'm gonna take this large Pyrex bowl, put a bunch of soap in there, yeah. Fill this up with water. Make sure the soap is nice and broken down and sudsy, all that good stuff. Alright, get this out of here. Oh, frick, that's still hot. Okay. Gonna get that sponge out. It's, ouch, ouch. Safety first, kids. Don't touch the, the hot glass. Ouch. I thought these ones would at least be cool by now, but alright. Prove me wrong. I really wanted to, ouch. Don't do what I'm doing, kids. Ouch. Ouch. But you can see, right? I mean, this is getting it slightly clean. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. Ouch. Okay, this one looks pretty dang clean. But that one, honestly, I use the least out of these. You can see this beauty blender is still pretty gross. This is gonna be, ouch, so hot. Ouch. Reminds me of my days as a dishwasher. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Can you see? Still very dirty. So, we've got the big Pyrex bowl. Now we're gonna put the sponge in the bowl. The big bowl. I'm gonna squeeze it. Ow! Frick. There must have been a hot pocket of water still in that sponge. Okay, we're gonna put that beauty blender in. We're gonna squeeze that a little bit. This beauty blender in. Squeeze that a little bit. Okay, okay. And Eco Tools. I'm gonna put you in. Squeeze you a little bit. See, the water doesn't look ultra dirty or anything, but now let's see how that does. Let's see how those guys do in there. Away you go. Boop. Did it work? Maybe? That water looks pretty dirty. Look at my camera can't even focus on it. They're looking pretty colorful in there. I really don't want to touch them because I know the pain is coming. Maybe that was it. Maybe. I'm gonna try and get that out. So now that this has some soap on it, I'm gonna give it a good squeeze here. And honestly, even that got that looking pretty clean. And I am going to add more soap to this jar. I am also going to try and, nope, can't really fit my fingers in there. Okay, well, there was a little bit of an oversight. There we go. water. And then we'll put that in there, squeeze it a bit, get some of this new water in there. And let's see if this one has some better success. Boop. Alright, you guys, maybe this communal bath didn't really work out here. I mean, at least to me, it doesn't seem like this is cleaning any better than just doing this by hand. You know what I mean? I don't feel like the microwave is really accelerating the cleaning process, but let's see how this one did. You're gonna be hot, aren't you? Yep. Okay, so before we do that, can you guys see? I mean, it's still dirty. And usually when I clean my sponges, I just kind of manually do that and then rinse them as clean as I can. But I mean, there is still pretty clearly some foundation in there. See this beauty blender? Same thing. Still looking pretty dirty. See that? I mean, have I done something wrong? My EcoTools one looks the cleanest out of all of them. This looks almost brand new. But like I said, this is also the one that I use the least, so it didn't have as much foundation in there. Let's see this guy. Ooh, that's looking... Oh, hot. It's so hot. Try and cool it down a little bit here. Oh, God. Those pockets of hot water will get you every time. But even this one, it looks like it's still a bit dirty on the tip there, as I think you can see. I mean, it's one of those things where it's like, as you squeeze it, you can see the brown from the foundation coming out. Oh, God, the tip of this one is so hot! But like I said, I just don't feel like this is doing any better than me manually washing my sponges. But alright, we've come this far. Let's try this last one. See if maybe having had it soaking this whole time does a little bit of something different. Of truth. Well, looks the same as the other ones. Now, while I'm waiting for that one to cool, I am noticing something here as I am rinsing these more thoroughly. Look how nice and clean those look, right? I mean, definitely still a little bit dirty, but I feel like, first off, these are taking way longer to rinse out than when I normally clean my sponges. Like, there's so much soap in these now, so that is something. But I feel like with the continual squeezing to get all of that soap out, it's making them look a bit cleaner. Did that get it? I think that might be about done. So you can see it's not completely clean. Let's try with my Real Techniques this one. Some people have asked me how you know if all the suds are out, if all the soap suds are out. If you squeeze it to wring it dry and there's suds coming out, it means there's still suds in there. I feel like that's kind of a self-explanatory thing, but I do get questions about that from time to time. I feel like this one is doomed, you guys. And then I'll just show you with this one that is still quite dirty. Normally I would just take some soap and put it right on top of it and then just kind of give it a nice little massage, you know, pretend like we're at the hair salon, give it a nice scalp massage. Oh yes, that is so nice, Cassie. You have magic hands. You have magic hands. We can pretend, right? Sure we can. And see, all of that is just getting that foundation out. See, I mean, obviously I haven't rinsed it clean yet, but hey-oh, that's a pretty clean sponge there. Now let's see with this one. God, that water is still really freaking hot. Why is that one so much hotter? So this has been soaking in the water now. But still looks pretty dirty to me, you guys. I don't know. So, as you can see, that did not get that sponge clean either. Let's try my method once again, where we just give a nice little scalp massage to the sponge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels so nice. You gotta try and make these things enjoyable, right, you guys? These stupid little chores. I shouldn't say stupid little. Cleaning your sponges is very important. Especially if you have acne-prone skin like I do. Alright, so not perfect, but a heck of a lot cleaner than before. So yeah, I don't know. There you go, you guys. That didn't work for me. What did I do wrong? You guys should definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this, if you have a trick or something to make this work that I don't know of. I feel like I tried it with different types of blenders and different methods of cleaning them and soaking them and not soaking and blah blah blah. And I feel like it didn't end up helping. I feel like if anything it ended up hurting and being a bigger waste of water, because with the microwaving of the soapy water, I just felt like it got the suds way more ingrained into the sponges, so it just took a lot longer for me to rinse them clean. My hands are looking a little pruny at the moment. As of right now, I'm gonna just say this for me was a hoax. Did not help. But hey, I've got clean beauty sponges. I mean, eventually they ended up getting clean. So yeah, like I said, let me know. Have you tried this? Have you had good luck with it, bad luck with it? Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully I'm not the only one that couldn't get this to work. I mean, not hopefully. I hope it worked for everybody. And then you guys can just tell me exactly what I did wrong and how I need to do it different next time. So in general, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!